Hello, everybody. Welcome to a tropical update here on a November 30th here, the last official day of hurricane season. The hurricane season ends on November 30th, so this is the last day. I think actually technically you could say we're past the last day of hurricane season officially because we're taking into December here. Um, so last day of hurricane season here, officially by National Hurricane Center standards. However, I do want to really stress storms can and sometimes do form off season, even in December, like we saw in seasons like 2005, I think 2007, and I think in 1984, if I remember correctly, and a few other seasons besides that. So it's not impossible to see activity happen in December. Of course, it is pretty rare to see it happen, but it can happen from time to time. So just keep an eye out for stuff of that nature perhaps form. Of course, the main thing to watch in this tropical update for Atlantic at least is Invest 90L, which has a low chance of formation at this point in time, but we'll see what comes of it. Here's the National Hurricane Center 5-day graphical weather outlook here, and you can see formation chance for the next 30, I mean not 30, the formation chance for the next 48 hours and 5 days is low. 30% chance as you can see there. So it's down 10% from what it was yesterday. Yesterday it was at a 40% chance. Now it's down to a 30% chance here, and you can see the information there for the National Hurricane Center saying you can see the next, looks like the next outlook is scheduled at 10 in the morning Eastern time, looks like, perhaps, for this system. Here's what the system looks like on infrared satellite imagery here. Again, this is Invest 90L. Could be trying to maybe form convection over maybe where its center of circulation may form there, might be forming. Here's water vapor imagery here, and it gives you a wider perspective of things here, and it gives you a better view of kind of the moisture field this system has to work with here, and it's going to be in decent conditions, workable conditions here for the next 3 hours here. I want to say for the next 2 or 3 days, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong on that. I haven't really been paying attention to the system, admittedly, that much, so it could be wrong on that. But if it does get named again, the next name up on the Greek alphabet naming list for this season is Kappa. So this would be given the name Tropical Storm Kappa if it reaches tropical storm force intensity or stronger, which it has, like I said, pretty much a 30% chance of that happening here. Or I guess I could also say a 60% chance of it not happening at this point. For team basins, here's a look at elsewhere throughout the tropics here. We got Invest 98B ongoing, which has a really high chance of formation. You can see tropical cyclone development likely within the next 24 hours. They also have a tropical cyclone formation alert for it here, as you can see, that they recently issued, and could form into our next tropical, looks really likely to form into our next tropical cyclone for that part of the world. We also got Invest 95S, which has a medium chance of formation, which means tropical cyclone development likely, but expected to occur beyond 24 hours. And other than that, we're all quiet besides, again, Invest 98B, Invest 95S, and Invest 90L in the tropics right now. Respectively. It's kind of I kind of I kind of find it a little interesting how Invest 90L is yellow because it has low chance, and then 95 is medium because it has a medium chance, and then 98B is red because it has a high chance. So it's kind of really interesting to see just kind of all colors of the Invest spectrum going on here today. So I believe that's pretty much going to be about it for this tropical update here. Pretty short one here. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving a few days back. And hope everybody has a great December as we take into December here. Don't know when this video is going to upload. Sometimes it takes a while for it to upload, so just maybe upload it on December 1st, my time here. So if the case, hope everybody has a great December. Have a great week. I'll probably, if I do another update, it'll probably be maybe if Invest 90L gets upgraded, or maybe if Invest 98B becomes maybe our next name system. I might do an update on that if I have the time to. So just keep an eye on that, I guess. If you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. If you want to know what links and websites that I use for this tropical update, they're also down in the description below. If you want to see for yourself what websites and links that I use for this tropical update to, see maybe what's currently going on the world of the tropics firsthand here, so you get information to you. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be about it for this tropical update here. A record-breaking Atlantic hurricane season definitely this year, and like I said in the last few updates, definitely without a doubt a season that's going to be studied for years and years to come in the scientific community and for people like me who are just interested in hurricanes and tropical cyclones in general for years and years to come. So again, that's going to be about it for this topical update here. Hope everybody has a great day and night wherever you guys are. Stay warm, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.